Alright, gang, so y'all probably like, where the am I? Well, there's grass, there's an open pad, there's cars. Nah, we're at the driveway today, gang. So Mike and Sloth convinced me to come out. I wanted to take my old ass home after work, but these guys made me come out. So this is what they're gonna be sliding today. So this thing, you guys have heard about it. I rode in it the day of the tune, and now they're gonna slide it. Yo, this vat though, that on the ESRs, sheesh, this thing is nuts. I need it. So how do you think Mike's gonna do?
I don't know. He's gonna like lie to us, bro.
I think he'll be low-key like decent at it, like the first like initiation turn, but I think he'll lose it. I don't know. He might be lying to us too.
I feel like he'll get the turn right.
Yeah.
And then once he comes around, I feel like he'll spin out.
There you go. Yeah. Oh, sick. Sick. Sick! Yeah! Yeah! Dude, that was sick! Did it die? Oh, I thought. That was fucking sick.
That was cool, dude.
Yeah, that was pretty sick.
Where'd you go in? Second or third?
Second.
Okay. That's what you're. See, I knew. Second.
Yeah, I'm too much of a pussy for third right now.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
So you guys don't know, but Pierre doesn't know how to drive stick yet.
So to the left and up?
Yeah. That's first, and then second gear is going to be directly behind that.
Do I let the clutch go and hit the gas?
You give it a little bit of gas, hold the revs at like, say 2,000.
Do I hold the, okay.
While you're holding the clutch down.
Okay. Get out of the way. Watch him walk.
And then slowly let go of the clutch. And then once it starts to move,
fuck,
you were too fast. There you go. He's learning. Oh God, he's blocking the road for this guy. So like this just shows just how fresh he is with driving stick. He's about to drift after learning this much about driving. Be patient. You're getting too worked up.
I'm gonna get it.
Put it in neutral. Push the clutch in. There you go. Okay, put it in first. Hold the revs like 2 grand, and remember, let out the clutch slowly. That was too fast.
Okay. Put it in first.
Ease it out. Now hold right there. Nope.
I'm going back.
Don't worry about it.
All right, here we go.
All right. Nice and slow. When it starts to move, hold your right or your left foot steady. Hold it right there. Just let it keep going. That wasn't holding it right there. You really spent $10 on Swedish fish and water.
It was $4.45.
Dude, he's...
Where's he going?
Dude. Oh my God. on. We're gonna find out how this goes though.
Interesting about him shifting though, the second.
Yeah, we'll find out. Maybe he's gonna try it in fourth the whole time. Who knows? He's gonna get lost. Apparently you wanna learn how to drive stick while learning how to drift? You know?
It's an interesting conversation. It's like, that's like this, and you're just taking a gigantic leap.
Yeah, he just gave him the green light, and I think he's still staying there. I don't think he knows.
Dang. He doesn't even know. Here we go over there.
Oh, he just started it. I think he just killed it.
First time driving stick?
Yeah.
All right on, dude.
Yeah, he's sending it. Dude that's running the joint's like, first time driving stick? Like, hell yeah. He's going way faster than the rest of us. It is pretty dark out there. I wonder if we need lights on. Hey, he sent it. He did it. He went and did it. Power to him, dude. He sent it. Dude, that was fucking sick. Hell yeah.
Give it to him. He just,
Yeah?
he doesn't even know how to drive a stick. He just
All balls, no brakes, baby.
Dude, I forgot my helmet. And that was so bad at this moment.
Oh, you also forgot to, yeah, push the clutch in when you stop.
Hey gang, so shout out to Mike for getting all of that. Mike the cameraman. I damn near probably burnt the clutch up. The engine probably is sideways now, but I went out there and I tried to drift. I don't know how bad this footage is, but I did it. So y'all gotta give me props for that. All right, Sloth, you got this, bro.
I can't even see much, so.
I know, it is pretty dark, huh? I wonder if it's like that when they... Here we go.
Hello.
Hello.
Sloth.
Yeah. Get rowdy.
He is not scared.
Wow, that was sick. Dude, you killed it.
Dude, that was sick.
Dude, that was
so
pretty
fucking
sick.
At one point, I recorded it. At one point, you disappeared in the smoke. All right. How do I find the light? There's no light. So we're just going to walk over here. That way the Frankie gang can see it.
I wasn't doing
Here he goes. Let's see what he does.
it. I wasn't doing it. Yes, sir. Did he stall? Yeah,
Oh,
now he
no.
got it. Oh, no, he got it.
Oh, it runs.
He's getting the hang of it.
It's still, yeah, he's...
What'd that cone do to him?
Yeah, he's getting more and more confident. Dude, this guy's gonna make him go out and do the cones.
I'm pretty sure I took a cone with me. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm pretty sure I took a cone. All right, gang, so I got the professional lighting again. I got the iPhone camera, but as you saw, I somewhat learned how to drive stick, somewhat learned how to drift. Don't crucify me. Like I said, it was my first time doing both, so I think I did pretty good. But thank y'all for watching today's video, man. Make sure y'all like the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And go ahead and comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. And
special.
it is. And of course, Mike has to close out the vlog.
Bye, everybody.
Hell yeah.